bahleke phela lokho acaba 7,000 phela.
Ngobani?
Ngabe ngiyahlala. Ngabe
ngisahlala forever ngebagugu.
There is no way. 7,000.
Why not? Bahle buka bahlala nonyani lakho. They look very nice.
This is crazy. Yo!
It's not crazy. Sagbongela.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Makhumalo Mseleku surprised her husband Musa Mseleku on his birthday and bought him Gucci sliders, guys, and we all know that Gucci is an expensive brand. The sliders that she bought for him is 7,000 rands. Musa Mseleku's reaction to the price tag was priceless as he was shocked while staring at the receipt, you guys. So one thing about the Mseleku is that they are filthy rich, while Makhumalo definitely has money, you guys. Happy belated birthday to Musa Mseleku, guys. Now there you have it. Please do share your comments down and also like this video. Also subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.